In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enter in your first prestige here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and get your unlocked token. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, all you have to do in order to do this is actually go over to your career tab from one of the main menu sections, whether you're in multiplayer or zombies. Essentially, just go over this tab and you're going to see a bunch of different options on here. The one you're going to want to choose is progression. Go ahead and select that. From here, you're going to see level unlocks, prestige, and prestige master. You're going to want to find this one that says, enter prestige 1 and go ahead and select it and then hit on this option right here. However, you can only do this once you do hit level 55. Right now, obviously, I'm only at level 20. So I'm obviously getting, a little bit closer, but I'm not quite there yet. Once you hit level 55, though, Enter Prestige 1 becomes available from this page right here. When you prestige, you'll get an operator along with a bunch of different icons for each prestige level. So if you ever hit Prestige 6, Prestige 10, anything like that, you're going to get new badges like skins, wraps, just different cosmetic rewards that actually do look pretty good in this game. If you do select on any of the prestiges, you're going to see all of the instant rewards that you'll get from leveling up. So as you can see, I would get this skin right here, as well as that permanent unlock token. And as I leveled up, I'd get more and more. Like I get this little static prison option, this little decal, an emblem, a brain rot weapon charm, and a pretty cool looking wrap as well. And this is going to be, compatible with Black Ops 7 and Warzone, and every single one of these prestiges is going to have these, as you can see right here. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.